Hi guys, how is everybody doing? I've missed you guys. I trust some of you must be missing me too. I'm sorry I've been off. I've been with members of the Telegram group. I've been busy with them, schooling them and providing them with VIP signals to make sure that we all make money this year, guys. The goal is to make a lot of money this year so that we can link up with one another anywhere in the world, guys. And so far, so good. We are far gone, guys. We are very close to achieving our goal, as a lot of people are making money every day, every single day with our VIP signals. We take a lot of profits, guys. We make a lot of money here, guys. We make a lot of money. We make a lot of money, guys. You can join us. It's very free to join us here. I'll post the link of this channel on the description of this video, guys. So join us and see for yourself how we are doing it in the VIP channel. So guys, the essence of this video is to reach out to those of you that are not on our Telegram too. Those of you that are not there yet, we are trying to make sure everybody benefits from all of this. We are trying to make sure that the money is circulating. Everybody who is a part of this platform makes money. So guys, the essence of this video now is to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes. This is free knowledge, guys, so you better take note of every single thing that I say. Take note of every single thing that I say and apply them and make money for yourself. Make money for yourself, guys. So I'll be showing you how to catch multiple spikes. The first thing you should know is to apply price action whenever you're analyzing the market. Apply price action. If you have a fair knowledge of price action, apply that with your powerful indicators I'm going to share with you guys. Apply that and trust me, guys, you'll be making a lot of good results for yourselves. So you apply price action. Always apply proper risk management on your trades. Your account size, your equity, the least lot to enter with your equity, the lots you should use, for every account size and all of that. It's very important. And always follow the market structure. Always follow the trend. Know the trend is very important. It's very important. Know the trend. So this video will show you how to catch multiple spikes using very powerful indicators. I'm going to share them with you with the settings. But first, this is it. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to share these indicators with you. Okay, so what you do is to zoom out completely and watch what happens when the market converges here. When all of these lines converges at this level, guys, see the 10th level. Remember, this is boom 1000, and if you have to follow this trend to catch multiple spikes, you need to make sure that the trend is towards the upside, right? It has to be an uptrend for you to be able to catch multiple spikes, because for boom you are expected to look for spikes buying to the upside, right? So be very sure of your trend. That's why I say it's important that you know price action, because you're able to use some tools to detect the trend. You can also use powerful indicators to know your trend. It's very important that you apply price action always. So when you know your trend, how do you know your trend? You go to your higher time frame and check the trend. This is obviously an uptrend, as there are series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and all of that. So you go back to your lower time frame and you wait for your indicators to react, guys. Wait for your indicators. Wait for all of these lines here to converge at this level, and then you look at getting a buy opportunity. This is very simple, guys. So I'll be giving you the simple steps to do this. Like I said, first of all, you know your trend. Go to the higher time frame. You know your trend. Find your trend out, and then you come back to the lower time frame. Zoom out completely so that you can see the indicators very well. Right? Okay. So once these lines, guys, once they converge at this level, you are about to see a spike. You are going to see a spike. This is the secret, guys. I'm going to link to you right now. So as soon as you see the spike, the first spike, you allow it to pass. listen to me attentively, guys. Allow the first spike to pass and then enter from the second, enter immediately after the first spike, guys, because you are going to be seeing multiple spikes to the upside, just like you're seeing here. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. You see, let me take this up so you can see completely. Excuse me. So as you can see here, price gets to this level, right? You see all of these lines converges at this level. You see them converge at this level, guys, and then what happens next? Let me use this. You see all of the lines meet here, and then you see a spike. All right, you see a spike. You see the first spike here. You allow it to pass, that's a secret, and then you enter your trade from the second spike and take it to the upside. It keeps going till it gets to the overbought level here. Once these lines get to this other level here, guys, that is the level where sellers will be more, and they will pushing the price to the downside, right? They will pushing the price to the downside. So you have to be very careful. Know your trend. Know you have to buy boom and you have to sell crash if you want to catch multiple spikes. You know, this has worked over time. This is a very powerful strategy. I'm going to show you the powerful indicators that I use after I look at the price on the higher time frame with my necessary tools, my support and resistance and all of that. I usually apply that because I want to be safe. I want to be on the safe side. The more confidence, the more the higher the probability of your trades winning. So I always want to be safe. That's why I apply price action in everything that I do, all of my analysis. So guys, let me show you more examples. Right, this is it. Price came to this level. All right, this line meets here, and then there was a spike, guys. There was a spike. All right, it keeps going like that. Look at this point where price comes to this level. Sorry about that. And then it spikes to this upside, spikes again, and all of that. Like I said, you're going to be seeing multiple spikes. Look at this. Imagine taking it all the way from here. You are riding all the way to the top, guys. You are riding all the way to the top. So yep, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. I'm going to show you the settings, how you set up these powerful indicators. Trust me, this works over time, guys. This works over time. I can keep going on and on. I can show you more. This is another one. Once these lines converge here, once these lines meet here, right, once they touch this level, you see spikes, guys. You see spikes. You see spikes. This is the perfect example. This is it right now. You see all of these lines get to this level, right, and then you allow the first spike and then catch from the second one and ride it all the way to the top, guys. You make a lot of money. You make a lot of money, guys. You can make as much as $200-300 a day if you stay tight and trade, guys. You make a lot of money, guys. Make a lot of money. So it works exactly opposite for crash. You know, you're going to be looking to get a downtrend first of all, and then you are looking to sell, right? So when all of these lines comes to the overbought level here, right, once it comes to the overbought level here, you sell to the downside and you're going to see multiple spikes. That is for crash 500, crash 1000, or whatever it is. So let me go straight to showing you guys the indicators that I apply to further strengthen my decision. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I set this up. I don't want this video to be very long. All right, so this is it, guys. This is it, guys. You just need to add relative strength index first. It's going to open the indicator window for you, right? We don't need anything on our main charts. We just need indicator window 1 to be up, so you can add your moving averages, your envelope, and that's it. So what do you add first? Relative strength index is what you add first, guys. All right, period 8, apply to close, style 3 pixel. All right, and then the levels is very important. It's very important that you at the level. So this is where you click right there, and then you add the levels, level 90 and level 10. You can add more if you want. Sometimes I add level 50, to be sure where I want to take my profits and all of that. So yep, screenshot this and set it up for yourself, right? After that, you click done, and then boom, you have your indicator window 1. And then you go ahead to add these other indicators. Very important. This is for newbies who don't know how to add indicators. So you simply click this F here, this F symbol here, you click that and then be able to add indicators. So this is moving average, 25 period, shift to close, method simple, apply to close, and see the styles. All right, screenshot that and set it up for yourself. After that, you click done, and the next is your envelopes. So this is it. Screenshot it, set it up for yourself. When you're done, you click done. Screenshot it. I don't want the video to be too long. All right, I'm sure you've done that. So you click done, and then you add the last moving average, period 1, small moving average. Period 1, shift close, method, you see that, simple, apply to close. That's it, guys. Screenshot that and set it up, guys. Click done. After that is done, you're ready, guys. So quick recap, what did I say? The first thing you do is know your trend. All right, if you have a fair knowledge of price action, apply it whenever you're analyzing the market. All right, what I do usually is go to the highest time frame or the higher time frame, like 4 hours time frame or daily time frame, and then I check the chart from there. I do all of my analysis to the lowest time frame, and then I apply my indicators. It's very important that you do this for you to be confident in your trading decisions, guys. You need to be able to apply price action. So I'm going to drop a link to our Telegram where we are making a lot of money. I'm going to drop the link. You can join us and see how it's done. All right, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link also, so you can chat me up directly in case you need anything. You need me to assist you. You want to join my VIP signals. You want to enroll in my mentorship program. It's very profitable. It's very affordable. You need to do this if you want to keep winning in this business, guys. So I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link. You can chat me up directly. All right, feel free to also reach out if you have challenges. I'll be able to help you guys. So stay safe, guys. I'm going to be dropping videos for you guys. I'm going to try to balance, providing services for people in the Telegram group, and also trying to also help those of you guys that are not on the group from here, by posting these very powerful strategies for you guys to also learn from here and also make money for yourselves. So yep, that's it, guys. Follow what I said correctly, follow them religiously, and you'll be good, guys. I'll see you soon.